Core Forms can turn a WordPress site into a lightweight store for plugins, themes, and digital downloads. Start in Core Forms settings, then find License Issuing Server. Enable this setting and save. Core Forms creates the two pages the store needs, a shared checkout and a customer dashboard. If those pages already exist, it reuses them. The checkout page accepts a product and plan from its address. The customer dashboard gives buyers one place to view orders, manage licensed sites, and download current releases. Now, open Products and Licensing. This is the commerce workspace, separate from the normal form builder. The overview uses real store records. It shows active products, licenses, subscriptions, and orders. The readiness checks also flag missing release packages or other setup work before you sell. Products hold your catalog and pricing plans. Licenses track access and site activations. Orders record purchases. Display gives you the blocks and shortcodes for building the storefront. The store is now ready for a product. In the next tutorial, I'll add one product, create its pricing plans, and explain the settings that control renewals and activation limits.